อ่าสบายดีท่านผู้ชมข้าพเจ้าคำลามื้อนี้สิมาสัมภาษณ์ภาษาอังกฤษกับไอ้จั่วอยู่วัดเนาะบ่ฮู้เพิ่นสิได้บ่ขอลองมาฟังลองเบิ่งเนาะอันนี้ก็ลองทดสอบเบิ่งMy name is Kamla. Today I'm here at the temple. I'm going to interview a novice. Excuse me, what is your name?
My name is Noviti.
Novice, where are you from?
I come from Savanakhet province.
Savanakhet province. And now where do you live?
Now I live in Nakhe Temple in Vientiane.
In Vientiane?
Yes.
And how long has you been a novice?
I have been a novice 5 years.
5 years. You speak English very well. And where do you study English?
Now I study English with my temple.
In the temple?
Yes.
And now where do you study?
Now I study at Nong Panya Buddhist High School.
Oh, good in Nong Panya High School.
Yes.
And do you study English on YouTube?
I study English on YouTube. I watch the movie. I listen to the music for listen the
And what kind of music do you like? Do you listen to the English song or Thai song, Lao song?
I like listen to English song.
English song.
Yes.
Wow. Because you when you listen to the English song because it can improve your English, right? And in the future, what you want to be?
I want to be a teacher because I love it teaching.
Wow. You speak English very well. I love your speech today. I'm Kamla. Yes, I just make the video and I interview the students who study English. Yeah, I'm very appreciative today, and I hope to see you next again. Thank you so much for today. Okay, this is novice. He lives in Nakhe Temple. He is good at English because now he just study the English. Yeah, today, please, if you have the free time, don't forget to click comment or the like to make the video like this.